Again, I would like to welcome all of my students in the Students Awareness Program SAP about the MCQ examination. Okay, in the last few periods, we have considered the different types of the questions, different types of the MCQs are asked in the examination also, and the probability of such type of questions may be there. But those are the questions I am explaining here again for your practice purpose. Okay, try to understand. Now today's period also we have to discuss, we have to study the different types of the questions which are in the chapters of the different types of the topics. Okay, different types of the topics are there, and in that topic also you can understand what type of probable questions are there, and such type of questions you can prepare yourself also. But when it is possible, after completion of detailed study and detailed reading, that is possible to prepare such type of MCQs. Okay, but for your practice purpose only, we are discussing here the different types of the questions. Okay, today's period also we have to discuss some questions. Okay, first question of today's period is there: dash dash is nothing but a snapshot of your plan. Very simple statement is there. Dash dash is nothing but a snapshot of your plan. What is the snapshot? Executive summary, exclusive policy, exit meeting, and all the above. What is the correct answer of this question? Executive summary is the correct answer. Executive summary is nothing but a snapshot of your plan. Okay. Then second question is there for your practice purpose. What is it? Generally, an entrepreneur is required to prepare a dash dash before a project is undertaken. Generally, an entrepreneur is required to prepare a dash dash before a project is undertaken. First, project. Second, policy. Third, program. And the last, all the above. What is the correct answer of this question? Project. That is the correct answer. Generally, entrepreneur is required to prepare a project before a project is undertaken. It means that before undertaking the project, you should have to prepare project. Okay, then and then you can start your project. That's why project is the correct alternative of this question. Then another thing is also there. Dash dash is abstract and mirror of various information and analysis regarding project to be started. What is the correct answer? First alternative is given project report, second is given audit report, third is given annual report, and the last alternative is also given all of these. What is the correct answer? Project report you should have to prepare. That's why project report is the correct answer. Your correct statement will be there. Project report is abstract and mirror of various information and analysis regarding project to be started. Okay, this will be the correct answer of this question. Then next question is there: the economic viability of the proposed project. The economic viability of the proposed project is correctly evaluated through dash dash reports. Try to understand what is the meaning of this statement. Economic viability of the proposed project is correctly evaluated through dash dash reports. First, potentiality. Second, protectability. Third, profit. And the last, predictability. Correct answer will be potentiality. What is the potential in your project report? That is assessed by the financial institutions, banking companies, and others, and then they can provide the fund for your business. That's why correct answer will be potentiality. The correct statement you can prepare: the economic viability of the proposed project is correctly evaluated through potentiality reports. Okay. Then another question is there for your practice purpose. Dash dash is written document of various activities of the project and its feasibility. Dash dash is a written document of various activities of the project and its feasibility. Four alternatives are given here. First, project report. Second, audit report. Third, cost report. And the last, all reports. क्या बात है? What is the correct answer? First alternative is correct. Project report is a written document of various activities of the project and its feasibility. That's why correct answer is A, project report. Then next question for your practice purpose also you should have to understand the project report is a dash dash in nature. What is the nature of project report you have to understand? Suggestive, mandatory, optional, none of these. Correct answer will be suggestive in nature. The project report is suggestive in nature. Then next question is there, dash dash report is prepared after collecting complete information. Dash dash report is prepared after collecting complete information. Four alternatives are given. First, the project. Second, audit. Third, general. And the last, meeting. Which report is prepared after collecting the complete information? Definitely your answer will be the project. What is the correct answer, correct alternative? The project. That's why your statement will be the project report is prepared after collecting complete information. The next question is given there. Try to understand, listen carefully. If any difficulty, you can contact me. Okay, don't worry about it, but try to understand. Your 100% concentration should be towards me. Okay, if you have listened carefully, there will be no single doubt will be there in your mind. That's why try to understand, try to listen carefully. Next question is there, project report is a systematic approach for dash dash decisions. Project report is a systematic approach for dash dash decisions. What type of decisions? Four alternatives are given here: investment, industry, cost, and profit. What type of decisions are there? Project report is systematic approach for correct alternative investment. That's why for investment decision. Okay. Then next question is there. Project can be divided into two broader categories. Project can be divided into two broader categories, namely quantifiable and dash dash. Four alternatives are there. First alternative is non-quantifiable, second non-countable, third non-qualified, and the last all the above. The correct alternative will be non-quantifiable. That's why your statement will be project can be divided into two broader categories, namely quantifiable and non-quantifiable. Try to understand. Then next question is there. Dash dash projects are concerned with quantification of targets. Dash dash projects are concerned with quantification of targets. Four alternatives are given. First, quantifiable. Second, non-quantifiable. Third, quality. And the last, all the above. What is the correct alternative? Correct alternative is quantifiable. Quantifiable projects are concerned with quantification of targets. Then next question is there. Non-quantifiable projects are those projects. Non-quantifiable projects are those projects where dash dash assessment is not possible. Non-quantifiable projects are those projects where dash dash assessment is not possible. Four alternatives are also given here: quantitative, qualitative, descriptive, all the above. Which assessment is not possible? Non-quantifiable projects are those projects where quantitative assessment is not possible. What is the correct alternative? Quantitative. Okay. Then next question is there. Project engaged in physical production. Project engaged in physical production, power generation, mineral products are treated as dash dash projects. Project engaged in physical production, power generation, mineral products are treated as dash dash projects. Four alternatives are given: quantifiable, non-quantifiable, quality, and all the above. What is the correct alternative? Think about it. Correct alternative will be A, quantifiable. That's why your complete statement will be project engaged in physical production, power generation, mineral products are treated as quantifiable projects. Okay, what type of projects? Quantifiable projects. Then next question is there, project related with health. Projects related with health, education, social welfare or dash dash. Four alternatives are there: non-quantifiable projects, quantifiable projects, qualitative projects, and all of these. What is the correct alternative? Your correct alternative will be project related with health, education, social science, social welfare are non-quantifiable project. How? What type of projects are there? Non-quantifiable project. That's why correct alternative is non-quantifiable project. Then next question will be there for your practice. Family welfare. Family welfare, empowerment of women and development of children, labor welfare, etc. are the important areas of dash dash project. About those areas are of which project? What type of projects? Four alternatives are also given here: non-quantifiable projects, quantifiable projects, quality projects, and all the above. Your answer will be non-quantifiable projects. What is the answer? Non-quantifiable project. Try to understand. Don't forget at all. Don't make confusion. Listen carefully. Then next question is there. Dash dash projects include factor intensity project. Dash dash projects include factor intensity projects. What type of projects are there? Four types of the projects are given here: techno analysis, sector, service oriented, and none of these. The correct answer will be techno analysis projects include factor intensity project. Don't forget at all. In this way, such type of questions are there for, for the practice purpose. Today we have to make such type of questions yourself also, and you have to prepare such questions. After preparing such questions, you have to find out the correct alternatives also. Okay, thank you very much.